Episode 23, The Understory Layer, Shrubs and Small Trees in a Food Forest. Welcome back to EcoAlchemy, where we blend nature with design to forge sustainable, thriving landscapes. In our last episode, we delved into the canopy layer, the backbone of a food forest that provides its structural anchor and ecological stability. Today, we journey one layer down, into the vibrant and dynamic world of the understory. This layer, home to shrubs and small trees, plays a crucial role in food production, biodiversity, and fostering ecological harmony. It's not just about filling space. It's about crafting intentional layers in your food forest that maximize efficiency, nourish the soil, and create habitats for countless species. Join me as we explore how to design an understory that sustains life while feeding both the ecosystem and ourselves. Beneath the towering canopy lies a bustling ecosystem brimming with life. The understory is where shrubs and smaller trees flourish, bridging the gap between the sunlit canopy and the ground layers. Despite its supporting role, this layer is indispensable for biodiversity. It provides shelter, produces fruits and nuts, and invites pollinators like bees and butterflies while offering refuge to birds and small animals. Think of the understory as the cooperative middleman. It thrives in the partial shade of the canopy and, in return, supports a diverse community of plants and animals. From a design perspective, this layer eases the interplay between sunlight, nutrients, and water, promoting the health of the entire forest. Ecology enthusiasts will recognize this critical balance as a cornerstone of natural resilience. In food forest design, choosing the right shrubs and small trees involves a deep understanding of their ecological roles and compatibility with the site. For those cultivating a food forest, these plants must endure the dappled light of the canopy while remaining hardy enough to handle challenging conditions. Here are a few species I'm integrating into my own future food forest. Elderberry, Sambucus spp. Known for its nutrient-packed berries and blossoms, elderberry brings extraordinary ecological value. It tolerates partial shade and attracts pollinators while offering medicinal benefits to humans. Blueberries, Vaccinium spp. Ideal for acidic soils, these shrubs are pollinator magnets and produce delicious, antioxidant-rich fruit. Pineapple guava, feijoa drought-tolerant and uniquely flavorful. This small tree thrives with little maintenance. Goji berries, Lycium spp. Hardy shrubs that produce nutrient-dense superfruits, well-suited to arid climates and less fertile soils. This selection demonstrates how food forest design moves beyond mere aesthetics. Each species contributes meaningfully to the ecosystem. By planting an elderberry, for example, you're not only reaping its fruit but also inviting bees, butterflies, and birds to join your food forest community. The magic of the understory lies in its ability to harmonize with the other layers of the forest. Its purpose is not simply to occupy space beneath the canopy, but to create synergies that elevate the ecosystem as a whole. A food forest thrives because of layering, a cornerstone of permaculture design. Strategically placing understory plants allows you to optimize sunlight capture, reduce resource competition, and improve soil health. Together, these factors enhance food production while creating a self-sustaining system. For example, blueberry bushes nestled beneath taller canopy trees not only reduce erosion with their ground-level cover, but also enjoy the cooler root conditions provided by the shade and moisture retention. This deliberate interplay between plants transforms your food forest into a living, breathing system, far more abundant and resilient than a traditional orchard. Planting an understory shrub is a process of care and intention. While less demanding than the canopy trees, shrubs still require room to spread, proper soil preparation, and water access during their critical first year. Here's a step-by-step approach to get started. Select the right location. Observe the sunlight patterns beneath your canopy. Partial shade is optimal, while ensuring plants won't compete excessively for water or nutrients. 2. Prepare the soil. Mix compost and mulch into the planting site. This not only primes the soil with fertility but also improves water retention. 3. Space wisely. Although shrubs take up less room than trees, they still need adequate space to grow and interact with neighboring plants. Provide deep watering. Especially in their first year, deep watering helps understory shrubs establish strong root systems, essential for long-term resilience. Creating a healthy understory is an investment in time, but one that rewards you with a thriving system capable of supporting itself for years to come. Establishing the understory is just the beginning. Maintenance and care ensure your shrubs and small trees not only survive but also flourish. Here are a few practices to keep in mind. Pruning. Regular pruning maintains the structure of shrubs, encouraging controlled growth and better access to sunlight. Soil enrichment. Annual additions of organic matter, such as compost, keep soil fertility high. Pest management. Monitor plants for pests and use organic solutions to maintain ecological integrity. Mulching. A thick layer of mulch around the base of shrubs conserves moisture, keeps roots cool, and reduces weed competition. This ongoing stewardship reflects the essence of food-forest design, nurturing relationships within your ecosystem. Every activity, from pruning to mulching, strengthens the bonds between the layers, creating a system far greater than the sum of its parts. To truly appreciate the understory's value, it's important to look at its contribution to the larger ecosystem. Flowering shrubs, such as elderberry, serve as beacons for pollinators. Their blooms attract bees, butterflies, and a variety of insects essential for fertilizing food forest plants. Meanwhile, shrubs like blueberries and goji berries offer sustenance for birds and other wildlife, intertwining the natural and human worlds. This layer also plays a role in regulating the microclimate. For instance, the understory reduces wind speed, stabilizes soil temperature, and improves moisture levels, all of which are crucial to the health of the food forest. We often overlook this quiet labor beneath the canopy, but its impact is profound. In my experimentation with understory plants, elderberry has been a remarkable standout. Despite limited water availability, it has continued to thrive, demonstrating its adaptability and importance in the food forest setting. Through these small-scale trials, I've learned invaluable lessons, like how to balance plant communities and identify species that best fit my climate. Each test teaches me something new about optimizing the food forest design. This iterative process is crucial for anyone looking to create a sustainable and thriving system. Remember, even tiny successes in your backyard inform the larger vision of an abundant forest ecosystem. As we close today's exploration of the understory, I invite you to dream big. Imagine a food forest teeming with life, where every layer, from the canopy to the ground, is alive with purposeful design and collaboration. The understory may not take center stage, but its contributions are foundational to the success of the entire system. Next time on EcoAlchemy, we'll uncover the herbaceous layer, the vibrant tapestry of vegetables, herbs, and flowers that completes the food forest. This is where life truly bursts forth in color and diversity. If you have favorite shrubs or small trees for food forests, share them in the comments. I'd love to hear about the plants that inspire you and how they contribute to your ecosystems. Don't forget to subscribe and share this episode with friends who dream of rewilding their landscapes and designing food systems for a sustainable future. I'll see you in the next episode, where we continue growing the vision, one step, one layer at a time.